Hi, my name's Melissa. I am here to give you 3 tips on how to increase your online presence. I talked to you a while back, and I apologize for not getting this video out to you sooner. I had a lot of things happen in my life, and that happens to all of us. I'm sorry about that. But I've still got these tips to give to you, so I'm just going to get started. First things first, I checked out your website. I really like these pictures on here. You're doing a lot of things right on your website here. And then I am just going to get started with giving you some tips on how you can make that better. We've got 3 things I'm going to get into: content, backlinks, and citations. These are 3 things that can help you get found online and stand out locally and bring in more customers. So content, that's all the things on the front of your site that tell people about your business and what you do. Even the pictures on here, which you've got some really great pictures, and you can put content behind those pictures as well. Google likes you to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words on your website, or more importantly, more than your competitors. And let me show you your competitors. Basically, I can find your competitors just by typing in some keywords in your area. I typed in cleaning services in your area, and these popped up in the top spots, and these I typed in this is a free tool you can use anytime, by the way, just to check how many words of content anyone has on their website. This is called Search Bloom. And your competitors have over 4,000 words on their website, and that is actually more than I've seen. I think on any website I've checked in a very long time. So that's a lot. And they've got a lot of keywords within that too. So, but that's okay. That's something that you can definitely strive for. Put some more words on your website. I wasn't able to put yours in there. I'm not sure why it's popping up error for the site owner. You can always go and put yours into like a word count tool, though. I didn't do that, but you can put yours in there to see how many words you do actually have on your website, though. But I do know it's not 4,000. So they definitely have a lot of content on their website. And then when we're talking about content, you can also talk about the keywords that they have too. So over here, you can see I have a tool here called Ahrefs, and this isn't a free tool. I pay for this tool. But you can diagnose a lot about people's website using this tool. So here I can see that you have 2 keywords that you're using that is bringing traffic to your website, and your competitors are using over 1,000 organic keywords. And what that means is that people are typing in words every day to get traffic to their site. So for instance, they're typing cleaning services near me. Might be one of the keywords. So like I can click on this and it'll show me general cleaning is what they're typing in. Best cleaner for porcelain tub is what they're typing in. Here's the volume. 2,000 people are typing that in a month. And that's the traffic that it's bringing to their website. So those are sorts of keywords that you could be using for the content on your website that would bring more traffic to your site. Those are suggestions that I would make. The other thing that we could talk about would be backlinks. Backlinks are power for your site. They give you popularity. They're links from other websites. They give your site relevance. they need to be the right backlinks. You don't need a backlink from like a Foot Locker website when you are a cleaning website. You want to get a compliment from a popular kid in school, not from a kid that nobody knows, right? So we do want to make sure that we're getting backlinks from the right websites. I can use the same tool to check and see how many backlinks you have. So I can see right here that you have 35 backlinks, and your competitor, let me get back to that overview, has a very lot more. Now we do want to make sure that those are quality backlinks. Like I said before, we don't want just a bunch of different backlinks that are coming from several different websites that don't have any relevance to you. Foot Lockers, Pizza Huts, any of those that aren't relevant to a cleaning service. We don't care about those backlinks. We do want them to be quality. So I would check that out and make sure that those are meaningful. But we definitely would want to increase the number of backlinks that you have. That would be some advice that I have to you. The third thing would be citations. So you might know what that is. I'll put this up here. There's a lot of directories online, places where you can go to put your name, address, and phone number. And you can list your name, address, and phone number. In having a lot of your having a lot of citations gets you into like the map pack, where those top 3 places when you look for a service near you, cleaning services near me, you might pop up in that map pack in the first 3 areas. You definitely have seen that before. You want to be, businesses want to live there, and the more citations that you have, the the higher the chance you have to be into that map pack. So what you would want to do is look at your competitor and see how many citations they have. You would want to go get those same citations, and then you would also want to get more than them. I have a tool that can check how many citations certain businesses have as well. The bottom line is we want to get you on the first page of Google, and you know, nobody's scrolling past the second page. So in order to do that, you've got to get some content, some backlinks, and citations. I think these 3 strategies can give you a real edge. You can run with them yourself. If you want some extra help, you can always reach out to me. My name's Melissa Wood. You can call or text me 907-312-8076, or you can just reply to this email. Thanks so much for watching.